Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that something as simple as eating just 2 cloves every day could significantly boost your health, especially as we get older? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Cloves have been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, and their benefits become even more crucial as we age. Whether it's enhancing your immune system, aiding digestion, or simply helping you feel more energized, these small but mighty spices can play a big role in maintaining your well-being. You might be wondering, what exactly happens when you start incorporating this tiny habit into your daily routine? Many people experience noticeable improvements, from fewer colds to better digestion, and even fresher breath. But that's just the beginning. The real power of cloves lies in their ability to support long-term health. Thanks to eugenol, a potent compound found in cloves, they help reduce inflammation, protect your body from harmful bacteria, and combat some of the challenges that come with aging. In today's video, we're going to delve into all these benefits and more, so you can see just how impactful this simple change can be. However, while cloves offer impressive advantages, it's important to use them wisely. Moderation is key, and it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding anything new to your diet, especially if you have existing health concerns. This way, you can fully enjoy the health benefits of cloves, ensuring that you stay on track toward a healthier, more vibrant life as you age. 1. Natural painkiller. Pain, whether it's from a toothache, joint discomfort, or other sources, can be exhausting, especially as we age. Chronic pain can significantly impact daily activities and overall quality of life, making it essential to find effective and safe ways to manage it. Cloves have been traditionally used as a natural remedy for pain relief, particularly in dental care, and their benefits extend beyond just soothing toothaches. The active compound in cloves, eugenol, is known for its potent analgesic, pain-relieving, properties. When applied directly to a painful area, cloves can offer immediate relief by numbing and reducing discomfort. This makes them a valuable alternative to over-the-counter painkillers, especially for those who prefer natural remedies. But the benefits of cloves as a natural painkiller extend beyond dental pain. They can also help alleviate other discomforts like muscle aches, joint pain, and inflammation, common issues as we grow older. Imagine having a natural solution in your kitchen that provides relief without the risks associated with synthetic drugs. This is particularly important for older adults, who may be more susceptible to the side effects of conventional painkillers. 2. Boosts immune system. Cloves are more than just a spice, they're a powerhouse of nutrition, particularly rich in vitamin C. As we age, our immune system naturally begins to weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. This is why it's even more important for those of us over 50 to focus on nutrients that support a strong immune response. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in helping our body produce more white blood cells, which act as our primary defense mechanism against infections. In an environment filled with pathogens, having a strong immune system is vital. By incorporating 2 cloves into your daily diet, you're giving your body a much-needed boost, enhancing its ability to fend off illnesses more effectively. This simple habit can lead to fewer colds, quicker recovery times, and a stronger overall defense against the health challenges that come with aging. Moreover, cloves' rich antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, which can accelerate aging and weaken immune function. By reducing this stress, cloves help maintain a healthier immune system, ensuring resilience against daily challenges. 3. Boosts testosterone. Testosterone is a vital hormone that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, especially as we age. It influences everything from muscle building and bone density to mood regulation and energy levels. For men, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is particularly important for overall well-being and vitality, but it also plays a role in women's health, supporting bone strength and cognitive function. As we grow older, testosterone levels naturally decline, which can lead to reduced muscle mass, lower energy, and even changes in mood. However, some studies suggest that cloves can have a positive impact on testosterone levels, offering a natural way to support this essential hormone. By boosting testosterone, cloves may enhance various physiological processes, helping to ensure that our bodies function optimally as we age. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine can be likened to giving your body a natural boost. This simple addition can help you remain energetic, healthy, and in good spirits, key factors in maintaining quality of life as you get older. Whether it's supporting muscle maintenance, promoting a positive mood, or enhancing overall vitality, cloves offer potential benefits that can help you feel your best. 4. Blood sugar regulation. In today's world, where changing lifestyles and dietary habits have become the norm, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is a growing concern. Fluctuating blood sugar can lead to a range of health issues, from fatigue and blurred vision to more severe conditions like diabetes. As we get older, managing blood sugar levels becomes even more critical to our overall health and well-being. Cloves emerge as a natural ally in this ongoing battle. They possess properties that can aid in regulating blood sugar levels, making them particularly valuable for those who are constantly monitoring their glucose levels, whether due to existing health concerns or as a preventive measure. For older adults, who may be at a higher risk of developing diabetes or experiencing other blood sugar-related issues, incorporating cloves into the daily routine can be a simple yet effective strategy. Think of cloves as a natural balancing agent, helping to stabilize the sugar levels in our bloodstream. This not only helps in preventing the dangerous spikes and drops in blood sugar that can lead to serious health complications, but also supports overall energy levels and vitality. When blood sugar levels are stable, we feel more energetic, focused, and healthy, qualities that are especially important as we aim to maintain an active lifestyle in our later years. 5. Liver protection. The liver is one of our body's most vital organs, serving as the central hub for detoxifying our system and processing the nutrients we consume. Given its critical role in maintaining our overall health, protecting the liver from potential harm is essential, especially as we age and our body's natural defenses may begin to weaken. Cloves offer a natural way to support liver health, thanks to their rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants are powerful compounds that combat the harmful effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage our organs, particularly the liver. Over time, free radical damage can lead to a decline in liver function, which in turn can impact the entire body. With the daily intake of just 2 cloves, you're not only promoting the health of your liver but also supporting your overall well-being. Given the liver's central role in detoxifying your body and processing nutrients, keeping it strong and resilient is crucial for maintaining vitality as you age. 6. Rich in antioxidants. As we age, our bodies are exposed to external aggressors like pollution, UV rays, and stress, which generate harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can damage our cells, accelerate aging, and lead to various diseases. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that combat free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help fortify your body's defense system against these threats. This is especially crucial as we become more vulnerable to oxidative stress over time. Just 2 cloves a day can significantly boost your antioxidant intake, slowing the aging process and helping prevent age-related diseases like heart disease and cognitive decline. 7. Bone health. Our skeletal system supports our entire body, making the maintenance of bone health a top priority as we age. Over time, our bones can become more fragile, increasing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Cloves play a vital role in bone health, thanks to their rich content of manganese, which is crucial for bone formation and maintaining mineral density. Incorporating cloves into your daily diet helps ensure that your bones remain sturdy and resilient, allowing you to maintain your independence and enjoy life with confidence as you grow older. 8. Aids digestion. Digestive health is the cornerstone of overall well-being, particularly as we age. A smoothly functioning digestive system ensures that our body absorbs all the essential nutrients from the food we consume. As we get older, digestive efficiency can decline, making it even more important to support our system. Cloves play a significant role in enhancing digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down food efficiently. This helps reduce common issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. For many older adults, digestive discomfort can be a recurring challenge, often affecting daily life. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you provide your digestive system with the extra support it needs to function optimally, ensuring comfort and vitality. 9. Anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation can be the root cause of numerous health issues that tend to surface as we age, from joint pain and arthritis to more severe conditions like heart disease. Cloves, with their potent anti-inflammatory properties, offer a natural solution to combat this internal swelling. Cloves help reduce inflammation in the body, easing discomfort and lowering the risk of chronic diseases linked to prolonged inflammatory responses. This is particularly important as we age, since the body's natural ability to manage inflammation can diminish over time. By consuming just 2 cloves a day, you can equip your body with a natural defense mechanism against inflammation, helping you maintain a comfortable and active lifestyle. 10. Fights off bad bacteria. Our body is home to both beneficial and harmful bacteria. While good bacteria are vital for digestion and health, harmful bacteria can lead to infections and diseases. As we age, our natural defenses may weaken, making it even more important to protect ourselves from bacterial threats. Cloves, with their rich content of eugenol, act as a natural defense against harmful bacteria. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine fortifies your body's defenses, helping maintain a balanced and healthy internal environment. As we wrap up our discussion on the many benefits of cloves, it's important to remember that while natural remedies offer numerous advantages, they may not be suitable for everyone, particularly as we age. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, individuals on blood-thinning medications, and those scheduled for surgery should exercise caution. Cloves can act as a natural blood thinner, which might interfere with certain medications or conditions. Additionally, excessive consumption of cloves can lead to digestive issues or allergic reactions in some individuals. Remember, individual health needs vary, and what works for one person might not work for another. Before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially introducing cloves or any other natural remedy, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice for you. Your health and well-being are paramount, especially as we age. Stay informed, stay safe, and always prioritize your unique health needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to maintain your health and vitality as you age.